on the 22nd of December in the year of our Lord 2019. December, that's a busy month. So throughout all Africa. You know what I'm saying? People work their ass off. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's home. Now the water shortage. What happened? The rain. The rain right there. This is Zion. Zion train is coming our way. Look at it. People still have them clothes on the line, you know. Look at them high women going across the road right there. Hot. People love the rain, so the clothes just glowing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain, singing in the shower. I'm singing in the shower. I'm singing in the shower. I'm singing in the rain. Watch it. Pear tree in a pear tree. That's a pear right there. See? And a pear tree in a pear tree. But in Ghana, ain't no pear tree in the bird, you know. Chicken are in the tree. Chicken in the pear tree. See there? Don't believe me. What's this? Rain. You see, you must know that in Africa, there's no such thing. In Africa, there's no such thing as racism. Nope. Never ever in Africa. Never ever. This is Mama Africa. The land of everyone DNA. Now you can call some of us hybrid. European, how you want to call it, Central or South America. But due to the earth movement and the separation movement, motherfucker, am I intelligent? No. Math genius. DNA. Maths. Science and physics. What's here? You saw the Muslim lady on the motorbike riding up and down. Africa, you know. That could never happen in the Middle East, you know. A Muslim woman. What's one of the baby on her back? You see her? You see her? Ah, the guy with the coconut. You see the truck there? Garbage disposal. We're going to show you this stuff, you know. We look like Brazil. Not the same Brazil, motherfucker. Did you know that? Most of the slaves were taken to Brazil. Okay, we won't talk about that. And Brazil is still living like gone with the fucking wind. You know that? Blacks in the north, whites in the south. But it's not racism. That's all this shit is about. But Afrobeat and the reggaeton and the rap and the music and the jazz and the blues, the R&B and the gospel, pulling everybody together. Get what I'm saying? Yeah. It's raining. I want to give some props out to them people in Australia. You need some rain. In Southern California. You need some rain. So I pray for these people, you know, who lose their house. What's up, LeBron James? Yeah, he's hurting too. Why? Because the billionaire, he's hurting too, motherfucker. But LeBron James did a good thing, a humanitarian thing for the firefighters. Send them a whole truck full of taco and all kind of beans and all kind of vitamin C and D. You say, yeah, vitamin E, A, N. We come out. We love it, we love you. LeBron James, yeah. You see? Africa. What's the people there? LeBron James. What's the LeBron James? I just see a little kid, about 12, 30. He got on the Griffin tree, RG3, the quarterback that played for DC. Now he's gone to Baltimore. You know what I'm saying? He got on the So that's how it is. You know what I'm saying? This is going on. And the tree, the pear tree, and the first day of Christmas, my true love sent for me. One GMC, we're calling Bertie, friends, and two turtle dove on a tree, in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent for me. 5 golden rings, we're calling Bertie, friends, and two turtle dove. Tree. Yeah, pear tree. Them Christmas carol, you know. Originated in Africa. Yeah, you don't know that. Man, last night, everybody was there. Oh, I forget. I made fella coaching manager, a white man. Yeah. I should have irritated him, but it's okay. Good white man. Good man. I won't say white man, good man. Can I say? Man, that man a good white. It's about good white. It's about good white and good black. It's like a racist epithet. We don't know that. Good people. Like Donald Trump said, we got good people on both sides. G that Donald Trump. Call them motherfuckers who are racist and they're Nazi. They're good people. No, they're gonna be good again. Like America. Africa. They'll be great again. Wake up. Smell more coffee. I'm a tree in a pear tree. Love you. Merry Christmas.